Hello, welcome to Sales Process Fridays. Welcome, Karen. Welcome, Jaya. Welcome, Jeert. And I have a couple of note takers here. And hello. And let me share my screen just a moment to mark today's topic. And today we are gonna overview how to automate appointment reminders to reduce no-shows. Basically, we're gonna learn how to set up a calendar correctly, and also set up the automatic reminders for our guests, our users, and for ourselves to let ourselves know that we have calls with our clients. Okay, this has been set. Stop sharing the screen. Sharing. And after this, we're going to have a brief section at the end where we can have any type of questions regarding today's sessions or in general about the platform. Okay. If you have any questions while I do today's session, just please type in those questions in Zoom chat so then I can respond them later. Okay. So basically, automating appointment reminders in sales process can significantly reduce no-shows by keeping your clients informed and engaged. And a couple of benefits of setting this up is that once you have consistent communications and you have automated reminders, this will ensure that clients receive timely notifications without relying on manual follow-ups. And this will significantly reduce the chance of them forgetting or missing the appointments. Nowadays, everybody have their phone there, have their phone and device 24/7 on top of them. So missing a notification, the chances are very low if you are sending them these emails, SMS, or internal notifications through the app. And this will also improve the client accountability. When clients receive multiple reminders, they're more likely to confirm and to even reschedule or cancel in advance rather than simply not showing up. So this is a very, very good strategy. And a cool thing about sales process is you don't have to actually create an automatic workflow to create this. There is an built-in option to have these reminders set up. So today's session will be an easy breezer. And let's start by creating the calendar itself. This may be very basic for some, but I'll just go do this for those who have not done this yet. Oh, two other guests are joining. Chiwi and Gerald. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. And you can see my screen. We're gonna go to the left dashboard and go into calendars. In here, we will go to the top. Okay, let me put my mouse a little bit bigger so that this can be easier to follow. nice. And from calendar settings, from here, we're gonna click at the top right, create a calendar. And for this case, we will create a personal booking. This would be an one-on-one booking type. Of course, there are other type of calendars right here. The other ones, another interesting calendar is a round robin. This basically is, let's say that you have a team of closers, and when you get leads through your calendar, what the round robin will do is that it will redistribute the guests um, uh, in a will redistribute the guests in a uniform way. So it'll be, so if you have 10 closers, it'll give one guest each, so that each of your closers get a call. How do you say this? Each of these called, so that it's fair, the amount of calls they all get in your team. And this is done randomly. And in this case, we're gonna go and create in one-on-one. And so we have to follow a couple of steps to set this up. Let's name the calendar test calendar. Let's put test calendar appointments, and I'm gonna go and put an emoji just so that it's easier for me to follow. And in the select team member, here, if you have other members, you can set this up for them. And once you set this for a specific user here, this person will be responsible on attending these calls. In this case, you can only select one user. I'll go and put tester man. This will be myself. This can be your teammate. This can be yourself. This can be a closer. This can be, well, whoever you want this to be. Just make sure to select the correct team member. And then the custom URL, the My Dash calendar, you need to create a custom URL so that when you share this link, you can have a unique link. The My Dash calendar is just an example. And I go and put test dash calendar, test calendar. And remember to put no spaces. And if you want to create a space, put a dash. And next here, you can set up the meeting duration and the booking availability. Of course, this is very, very basic. So I'll instead go directly into advanced settings at the bottom. And from here, you will start setting up the details of this calendar. So if you have a logo, please go on and upload this here so that this is unique for yourself. We already put a calendar name. You can go and put a description of the purpose of this appointment, and so that this is, and also this will make it look more legit, make it attractive so that guests like what they see. Well, groups, you can leave it as it is. The meeting invite title. From here, you can create your own title. Well, what I can do this here, meeting invite title, you can go and put the, I don't know, let's say that booking appointment, onboarding specialist, and sales process. And you have already selected a team member, and you can even select an event color. This will basically set your color in your agenda and your calendar within sales process. I will keep the blue. This is what I've been using currently, so I'll just leave it as it is. Make sure that you have set these up before you click save, and it's going to save. Oops. And then this will take, once you click save, this will take you to the next settings, which is availability. From here, you will set up your calendar's availability for each day. Let's say that Mondays, I want to change from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 11 a.m. I'm to end my day there. Okay. And I want to have my lunch and come back at 2 so that nobody else can set an appointment here. And let's say I'm going to work until 5. Set this up, PM. Okay. So this should make my schedule to be restricted to this time zone. And if I want to work Sundays, you can set this up also and go on and repeat this for each day. Maybe Saturdays I'll work only AM shifts. I'm gonna change this to 12 AM and set this up. And also, do you see this here? It says look busy. So this is like a hack for your calendar. So at the beginning, maybe you won't have many appointments, and you can basically make yourself look busy to the guests so that you can look in high demand. Let's say that at the beginning you can make an 80% to hide 80% of your calendar, just so that they won't be able to see, so that they can see that you are busy and you have just a couple of slots. And then once you have a lot of appointments set, maybe you can take this off or just go and put 50%. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I don't think I will need this for now. And well, and if you need a recurring meeting, um, this can be set up. Let's say, depending on the industry you are, this is something that can be set up. If I were to think about who could use this, maybe if you are doing trainings once per month, set this up so that they can be so that the recurring meetings can be sent to your appointments, to your guests. Maybe if you are a psychologist and you do every weekly, recurring meetings can be very useful. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off. And the meeting interval will be the duration of your call. 30 minutes is too long for me, so I'm just going to create for 25. And oh no, the meeting duration here 25. And the meeting interval is the time between each meeting. So I will set this for 10 minutes so that if I have a full day, even though I have a fully booked day, I have 10 minutes between calls. This will give you time to go to the bathroom or make other calls or maybe just get something very quickly to eat. So setting this up will help you start your day. And well, minimum scheduling notice, you can set this up also. Maximum bookings per day. Well, you know what it says. And set this up as you need. Save. And well, if you need to add payments and a form, so once you share this calendar setting appointment, they will see a form. Basically, we're gonna get to there, but what I want to explain is the form that they will see is a very, very basic form. they will be asked their first name, their last name, an email, a phone, and some type of specific notes if they want to leave this for you. And once they populate this form, what the sales process CRM will do is it'll take this information and it'll be added into your contact section automatically. So once this is done, you after the call, you will already have their details and information so that if you want to keep nurturing them, you can do it directly in your contact section. This is a very powerful tool. It's also a good way to get future leads and without having to add contacts manually. And the pre-populated fields sometimes guests. So like most guests have auto-save information. If you click pre-populated fields, they will be able to auto-populate this. I find it a little bit messy, so I just will leave this off. And the consent checkbox is that they are consenting that this information is provided. And another feature is the add guest. The add guest means that when they set an appointment with you, they can also invite their brother or their sister, depending on the purpose why you are setting this appointment. Well, you can set this up. Maybe if you are a trading company and you are trying to get other people onboarded, and then you can maybe tick this on so that you can onboard one the main guest can also invite their friends to join to this call. Well, this is a very cool feature. For now, I'll take this off. And well, the thank you message, once they have sent their information and set the appointment, they will see this thank you message, will say thank you for appointment request, blah, blah, blah. And perfect. And if you have a Facebook Pixel ID, you can put that here. But for now, I don't have this now. And once you have this ready, click save. Well, and from here, this is the notification and additional options section. Let me show you. So before we run into the notification section, I'm gonna close this and show you how this calendar will be seen by your guests. What's it? Oh, here. The test calendar appointment should be active. I set the duration time to date 25 minutes. And if you want to share this calendar, you need to close what you have saved. Click the share calendar icon and this pop-up will appear. You can send a scheduling link and copy this, or you can even create a one-time link so that once they open this link, this will expire. And you can also embed this code to a landing page, a funnel, however you want. Well, let's go with the schedule link. Copy this, and you can go and open this in a new tab. You can share this link through basically any means. It can be email, SMS, your same funnel, whatever. And this is a very basic calendar, as you can see. This will be your title. Your details would go right here. I did not provide any details, so that's why it's blank. You can even change the color and settings of this calendar, but I'll just keep it very simple. And let's do the test for myself. And if I were a guest, I can go directly here, choose the day and friend time zone. Oh, the intervals here, I set them for 10 minutes each. I guess I'll have to go back and set this up again. Let me see. This wasn't the type of calendar I wanted. So let's go here and edit calendar. And this was in availability, meeting intervals. 30 minutes. Meeting duration. Let's see if this is what I was trying to do. Close. Share calendar. Copy. Okay, perfect. And correct. So the meeting interval is I can set an appointment for 9:30. And as I set up my appointments to be 25 minutes long, I have 5 minutes of time between each call so that I can go to the bathroom or go eating. If you need more time, set your interval, your meeting duration to a shorter time, maybe 20 minutes, and then go and set an appointment with myself, 12 a.m. Uh, test, uh, test, test, April. And text email. Let's say I'm just inventing one. They will add the number. You need to confirm this.
Can I ask you?
Sure.
Is this the form that you included?
No, this is a automatic form that already sales process have. So once you create the calendar, this will be already set up. And
Oh,
if
so
you
this
need
is not
to,
the form.
it is a form, but it's already pre-built.
Right.
It's all,
So the
yeah,
form will come later, right? So where they would see that.
correct. So once you send this URL, this form will pop up automatically once they choose the day and date.
Yeah, I get it. But I was just wondering the other form that you included just now. You
Which
could
other form?
you could choose, right? Whether you wanted to include a form.
Oh,
And then you
correct.
were
So
choosing a form. So I was wondering where you would see that as a client.
as a client, you mean here? So
No.
as
You
a user, um, so once you start, let's edit this. So was this in the edit configuration? So from here, if you go into forms and payment, in here, select form. So do you see the default form? This is the form
mhm.
that you see here currently. So once
Right,
you
that's what
select,
that's what I
uh-huh,
meant. Is that the form that you chose?
correct. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
And yes,
Thanks.
and this is the pre-built, the default one. You can set this up however you want. You can create your own form specific to your own calendar. If you need more information before you set the appointment, make sure you ask the correct questions in the form. And yes, but I'll just keep it very simple. This data is what I need for my appointments, and April test, and test appointment, test April, gmail.com, and I need more info for this product. Oh no. And scheduling. This would be for Wednesday, April 30. Oh, I'm gonna set this up. Okay, perfect. And for the contact, they can go and add this in their own Google Calendar, and so that they have this organized. Okay, and if you have set this correctly, should be able to see this in your calendar. This is the 30th, so this is next week, April 30th. So if you go to the correct day, do you see here the booking appointment I just set with myself? You can see the details, the number I just put, the testing email. This is the invented email. This has been appointed to tester man, which is myself, and the calendar that has been set in the test calendar appointments. Perfect, is working. Now, if you go to the right section, you can filter by the users. You can filter by the calendars that you want to see. I only want to see the test calendar appointment with my emoji. And this is a very good way to let yourself know that this is the calendar that you mostly use. And well, if you have a group calendar, you can also filter this here. But just so that you can understand how this works. And again, as I explained before, the contact should be added here automatically. Do you see here, April test? So this was added um, by the automation. This is automatic, and from here you can start nurturing the contact. Now let's go to the calendar again, and let's set up the reminders for this calendar. To do so, we need to go into the test calendar appointments, more option. Let's go into edit calendar. And the good thing about this calendar is that we can set the notifications without having to create a workflow for this. So in appointment book status, unconfirmed, you can go and click here. And we're gonna enable this for the contact is, well, your client, and the assigned user will be myself. And if you click the toggle down menu, you will see the pre-built template that will be sent to your client, which will say appointment request received for appointment start time, which is a custom value depending on what time they have set this up for appointment time zone. And we'll say hi, contact name. This will automatically populate their name. We've received your appointment request and we'll confirm it shortly. Here are the details your requested appointment, and it will say the appointment title, date and time, and the meeting link. This has already been set up for you. So you just have to activate this. The only fields you need to populate is the from name and the from address, which you can put a custom value here. From name, you can put, let's say, count, name, no, shouldn't be this. Owner, location, owner, first name, and custom values. Well, I guess you'll need to set this up so that you can put a from email directly in custom value. But let's say that the from address will be your business, name at gmail.com or professional email.com. And for here, I'm gonna go put my name, Yoon, or business name. And we'll go and save this, save. And you can also let yourself know here by clicking assign user. And this will set a reminder for yourself. So, hi, user, full name. This will be yourself. Hi, user, a new appointment has been scheduled with a contact name. Please review the details. So if you have many appointments, well, this is a reminder that this has been set up, very similar, but for yourself or for the user that is being set up. And test your email, well, save. Perfect. Now let's click save. So now we have enabled the email section. Once this is, for now it's unconfirmed. Once it is confirmed the appointment, you can also set this up here. We're gonna enable here, and very similar to the unconfirmed version. This would be a reminder that your appointment has been scheduled and has been confirmed. This is a confirmation one. And again, the from name will be can be your name or company name and company email where you know how it is. Set this up. Also in the assigned user, hi, make sure to put your custom value of user, full name, so that they can know that this is has been assigned correctly to the correct user, and save. Perfect. And from here, we're gonna set up a reminder. Enable. And for the contact. So here we can set up a couple of reminders for the guest. And I suggest you to remind 3 time frame before this appointment, just so that we can reduce the no-shows. 2 to 3 days before the appointment can be a soft reminder so that they can organize and see if they will attend to this meeting. So I'm going to put 3 days before appointment starts, and just not to spam them too much, I'm gonna do the 3 days, do another 24 hours, or just 1 day, and another one that is 1 hour before the appointment starts. And again, the subject and the email body has already been pre-built. The reminder says upcoming appointments on appointment start time and appointment time zone. And with the email body, this is a friend reminder, very common event, blah, blah, blah. And again, make sure to put the from name and the from address. You can set this up however you want. Just make sure to have this set up so that the reminders are there. And the same goes for the assigned user. Just as you let know your contact, you also can let your employee or let yourself know that you have this appointment, and set this up. Hi, again, the custom value for the user, full name. Of course, you can configure this body message however you want, but these are the details that are important to be noted. And save. Perfect. Now let's go and click here. The reminders has been set up. Let's also add the in-app enabled. When you'd like to trigger the notification before appointment starts, 10 minutes and maybe 1 hour, 60 minutes and 10 minutes. Okay. This is the in-app means that when you go into the contact, where you see the emails, you will see also a notification that you have an appointment with this person. And well, you can send basically reminder for yourself for if this person has canceled or if they have rescheduled. This is a good way to let yourself know that this has happened. For now, I'll just leave this out, but very simple. just as I have been setting up the other ones, go into this for your calendar. And if you need to set up a follow-up, do this here. And well, you can also allow rescheduling of meeting. If not, you can just tick this off and I'll just leave it in. And you can also allow cancellation of meetings. Perfect. And click save once you have set this up. And the last one is the customization of the calendar. I'll just leave it as it is and save. Perfect. So this should be set up already. Once you start getting appointments, you should be getting many notifications. If you have many appointments, you should be having a lot of notification about these appointments. This would be a happy problem for most of the guests. So be ready to attend them. Okay. Well, I have ended today's session. Is there any questions regarding the calendar setting up, the reminders? Please let me know. Let me see the questions that were left behind. Okay, I guess there's only the note takers here. If there isn't any questions, thank you for joining today. And yes, I'll leave this last 15 minutes for Q&A session. Okay. Thank you for joining today.
So no homework?
Oh, the homework would be try to set up a calendar for your business, for your for whatever you are doing with the sales process, and try to set up the reminders with the time frames that you need. And yes, that is basically the homework of the week. Just as we did today, you can follow the steps. Should be very, very easy. And this will set up so that when you have appointments with clients, they will definitely show up, or you will know why they have been canceled or not. Yeah, okay. If any questions, just open your microphone and it's
Ruben, I have a little question, but it's not about the session of today, but it's a general, because I think we have two accounts for the copywriter, for Kathleen van Landshut and myself. And that's not okay, I think. Could you ask to the team to check this?
Sure. Give me
because we have two accounts, because I created Cactus Marketing, and it was not visible on the account of Kathleen, but normally it has to be one account with the same settings.
Okay. Can
and
you
I think,
send me?
Yes.
Yes. So I will need from you. So if you go into your account and you go to the top right,
okay.
Can you please tell me the name of your account?
The name.
So if I share my screen very quickly. So do you see here? My says demo account 2. Well, if the other guests, thank you for joining for the other guests. If you want to just hop off this call, you're welcome, and we'll see each other next Friday's call. Okay, thank you for joining. Okay, Jared,
yes.
Can you send me your account name so that I can have this escalate?
Excuse me, I don't see where I have to look.
Oh, see, do you see here my mouse?
Yes.
So do you see here, mine says demo account 2? Here,
Okay.
demo account 2.
Demo account. Okay. Yes. That I have to look.
What does your account say? The name of
Yeah,
your
I will.
account.
I will put it. A second, please. I have 2 times Kathleen van Lanschot's account, I think. All accounts.
Can you type in the name of your account in Zoom chat, please?
Yes. Is this possible, this name?
Yes.
Kathleen van Lanschot's account? And I see
yes,
it 2 times.
Okay,
And I think,
let me
yeah, just check, but it's not a big problem, but I think we pay 2 times also.
Okay,
For
let me
the
check
same,
this
it's
for
all
you.
about the same issue with Kathleen. And for instance, Copy Clinic is registered on the one account, and then the cactus marking, what I did last week, is registered on the other account, I think. But is I think it's better that we have one integrated account for Kathleen.
Okay, Kathleen.
Yeah, and I'm the business partner.
So there's one with an address.
Yes. But it's the correct address, and then you have the other one without address.
Just let me check this very fast for you.
It's just a practical question, but yeah, it's important.
Yes, of course. So the one that you have sent me with the business email info@thecopywriter.b.
Yes, and for the copywriter, that's the general email address.
And let's just have domain. Okay, I have this set up. Now let me affiliation. Okay, so I can see that currently, yes, you have 2 accounts with the same name.
I don't know what happens, but and it's the same picture also. If I use on my computer the accounts, and I created cactusmarketing.be, and I followed the steps you learned us to connect it with the host partner. But on the other, there is a pre-built funnel yet from Copy Clinic, but I can't see this on my computer. in the account, on the same account. So I think there are two accounts with the
so
same. Yeah.
you have one credit card that ends with 19 in one account.
Maybe. I will check. I take the card. I will check.
Yes, I'm just making sure that you actually do look like you have two accounts, and to see if you have to actually erase one so that you don't get billed twice.
Yes, normally we have a yearly plan, and I see we already built this year from January till now on a monthly base. I think it's for the other one, but we don't. Yeah, we just see it.
Okay. Yes. So about this account issue, I have confirmed this. Let me send you an. Have you reached out to sales process through support email or
Not
or
yet.
any type?
Just not yet.
Okay.
We just. I just waited till this afternoon because we saw it yesterday. We
Oh,
discussed
okay,
it
okay.
together, and I can see the copy clinic on the other on the one account, and the other account is copyclinic.be. And I was asking what I have to do to make it connections, but it was already connected. But on the other account, I think.
Okay. So what we
This
have to do here is let me get you the email so that you can ask support
yes.
for this issue,
Okay.
because probably if you have worked in one account and you want, sorry, if you have already worked in both accounts, probably you might have content in one account and maybe not in
Yes.
the other.
Yes, a
So
little bit. Yes.
if we just go and erase an account, you won't be able to go back the content.
Okay.
So we have to make sure that you have everything in one.
Yes.
And
Yes.
let me see if they can give you assistance for this. Mhm. Okay. Just one moment.
Maybe it's about Kathleen thought it's about an action or something special. I don't know, that we clicked on a link or something to create, and it's a new account because it's two times the same person.
It can be. Okay. Can you send me your email just so I can escalate this issue internally and they will get back to you?
Yes.
Uh,
There's my own address is at Hotmail, but you can sell to also to info at the copywriter. It's a general address from Kathleen and me.
Perfect.
Kathleen at the copywriter or here at the copywriter exists also.
I will send both emails so that they can
Yes,
reach
thank
out
you.
to you.
We
They
don't
should
send.
be.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. No worries. So I am asking for your email because I think it will be faster if I reach out to the sale process and then And so I
Yes.
escalate this to sales process, and then they contact you about this issue or already with an answer. So they should be getting back to you as soon as possible.
Okay.
And yes, thank you for reminding us about this issue. We'll
Yes.
get you back. Okay.
Because Ewan, a little question. Yeah, last week I have made the connection, like you said in the demo version for the software onboarding, to connect dus the cactusmarketing.be with the DNS server on the one account. But I have Kathleen asked me a little question about the connection of the copywriter.be, because all the emails at this moment they come on the account here in Outlook, and if we make a connection with the sales process, is that not a problem to make confusion, or it's just a reply? We use just a reply like an extra setting.
Correct. So basically, when you connect a professional email here in sales process, what it
Okay.
will do is when you send an email from sales process, it will go from your professional inbox email,
Okay.
and when you receive an email through sales process, it will go into sales process, but it will end up in your professional email
Okay.
inbox.
Dus it changed nothing about the
Nothing.
settings. Okay, because that was the concern about from Kathleen. She say Cactus Marketing is new website, new email, but the copywriter is existing at this moment, and she was a little bit not panic, but she wants to be sure that nothing will change in the inbox. Okay,
No, nothing should change. Yes, nothing should change.
just an extra connection. Okay, thank you.
Exactly.
Thank you.
No
Ewan?
worries, no problem. Yes, sir.
This week next week we received some feedback about the accounts, and if it's possible, I don't know, we want to do it like an exercise, but I have already made 2 new things. It's the only thing I have done already on the other account, the Cactus Marketing, to make connections on DNS server, and on the other account there's the Copy Clinic with the funnel, existing funnel.
Okay, perfect. Well, let us
So
know if you want to overview other type of tools, and then we'll see if we can overview this in our next session.
Okay.
Or, yep. Okay.
Nice.
Thank you,
Thank
Jeep.
you.
Bye-bye. Jaya?
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
Yes.
yeah. Can I share my screen so that I can ask it to you?
Sure. I do have like very like 2-3 minutes, very fast, before I have to end this call today. So let's go and jump onto that.
Okay. Can you enable screen share?
I think you can share your screen.
It says like post disabled participant screen share.
Let me see. Oh, here you go. Try now.
Yeah. Is my screen on?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah, the issue is I sent multiple messages, but all the messages are being unsuccessful. They are not being delivered to the clients. I don't know what could be the issue.
This is WhatsApp,
What
right?
can I do for that? Yeah.
Mm,
And for most of the contacts, we have only WhatsApp numbers, so it is not possible to reach them through mail. So this unsuccessful messages means we are not reaching the clients.
okay. I'm just thinking what might be. So when did this start happening?
Uh, this is happening.
So just to understand the
I
context.
think
So you
I'm getting
connected
this issue
WhatsApp
for
yes.
No, I'm just working from the last month only, from April only. So from starting to, I face this issue. I don't know how long it is existing. As long as I'm working, this happens.
Yes, but I
Actually,
mean,
today I contacted support also.
uh-huh.
They said like they'll get back, but I don't know how long it will take. Uh, we have upcoming events and webinars, so I think it has to be addressed immediately.
I see. Actually, I don't know the answer of why might this happening. It might be a connection issue with
Yeah,
your integration of WhatsApp.
it says
Because
like if the issue is integration, then none of the clients should get it, right? But few of the
correct.
messages they are receiving. Few of them are receiving, few of them are not.
Hmm.
And this is the issue it is saying. Message failed to send because more than 24 hours have passed. So I don't know what
Correct.
does it mean. It means there is some policy with WhatsApp or something like.
I'm thinking why it might happen this. I'm not sure why this might be happening because I'm not an expert in this WhatsApp issue, but I can get back to you and ask why this might be happening. And can you just leave your email here in Jaya in the Zoom chat so that I can look at this issue and contact you later during the day. Um, Maybe I can ask my teammates and colleagues to see what might be the issue. Let me take a screenshot of this also.
Get a
Oh, no
screenshot.
worries. Yes, I already got your account, so I should be able to get your TV hit. Well,
Oh,
Jaya, you will need to pardon me. I need to jump into another meeting right now. So I'll get back to you. And if it's not today, hopefully the whole following week or during the weekend, we'll try to reach out to you.
oh,
Okay. Thank you, Jaya.
thank you. But please address this issue as soon as possible.
Of course, of course. Well, everybody, thank you for joining. I hope you have a good rest of the day.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Goodbye.